Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm gonna show you this fork and spoon. So these are basically for babies, it's written away for the best start in life. So starting you should give babies these kind of spoons and fork, and it's just 4+ months, so do not give small babies. And it is from Lulu and by BPA free. So it costed me around $1.5, and as you can see over here, the spoon is quite stretchable also from this portion, so it's good. And please read the instruction before giving to your child, that is must. And this is a product of Bangkok, Thailand. So this is made in Thailand. So let's not waste much time and open this. Oh god, it is really tight, really packed. So here comes the spoon and fork. These are very nice. Yes, it is stretchable, as you can see, like this. Now it is like this, you can eat like this. See, very nice. And this also you can twist as per the requirement of your baby. Your baby doesn't like straight, you can twist it like this and then you can eat. Very nice concept. I like this. Is really hard rubber, it's not easy, it's hard rubber or plastic, whatever you could say, but very nice for kids to eat and just explore the world with this. So thank you friends. If you like this video, do not forget to subscribe and press that bell icon for more my videos. Thank you.